How to enable 2FA Google Authenticator on Binance. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Binance application on your device and make sure that you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. You will see the Enable Authentication option on your home screen, and just in case if you do not see the Enable Authentication option there, you can tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and further tap on the security option there. Now, under the two-factor authentication tab, tap on the 2FA is off option and further tap on the Google Authenticator option. Further, tap on the Setup option and you will then need to download the Google Authenticator application if you do not already have it. Now, tap on the Next button and copy the code you see there by simply tapping on the code. Now go ahead and open the Google Authenticator app and tap on the plus symbol on the bottom right of your screen and further tap on the Enter a Setup Key option. Now go ahead and enter the account name and the setup key and tap on Next. A 6-digit code will be generated, so go ahead and open Binance again and further paste the code that you just copied, and with this, 2FA will be enabled on Binance successfully. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.